Bachelor of Public Administration and a former DJ of Sikat FM, Mr. Wilson Awayan.
Yes! Maayong gabi, Damayuhan! Maayong gabi! Pura magmingaw, nakakaon mo? Kung muna pura sa ilang ipakita karon, kurog-kurog na naman ni sila. Kaya di mo mo ba? Pak-pak naman dyan mga kaibigan. Ayan. As you can see to our candidates, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to formally welcome you to the search and rescue operation. Kahit pa rin kayo mga lawas. Anyway, as you can see to our candidates, they are showing the other sides of themselves, which is ang macho-macho, the masculinity, and later on, they will also showing as well the other side of themselves, which is the feminine side, o kanang mga babae, pambabae. Okay. Okay na kagaw? Awayan ni mong gidalag, ipakaawawan man ni mong awayan. Anyway, thank you so much, candidates. You may now gracefully take your exit. Dagan kayong salamat. Palakpakan naman natin once again ang ating mga candidates. Ayan. Pakpak ha? Ang dili mo pakpak, labi na katong mga boros, ang inyong anak, ang kitangkid o kitsura sa kandidata. Pagdili mo mo pakpak, ladies and gentlemen, once again, maayong gabi! Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the most anticipated highlights of our 77th araw ng Damayuhan, and also to the search of beautiful Macho 2025. I am your host for tonight, Wilson N. Awayan. I'm your guide, your hype man, your kabarkada, and throughout this sparkling event full of talent, beauty, and surprises. Anyway, this is my first time here in Damayuhan. Thank you so much. It's my honor. It's my pleasure to be here. Thank you so much, Barangay Council, Barangay Captain. This is my first time here, and you have a beautiful barangay. The view, the sunset, the beach shore was absolutely breathtaking. And of course, that was all because of our Barangay Council. Once again, palakpakan naman natin ang ating mga Barangay Council. Ayan, bitaw. Kidding aside, taga-Damayuhan rako, ha? Taga-Damayuhan rako. Anyway, as you can see to my outfit, pasensya na kaayo mo kung inanihan na akong outfit. Giparaffle na ako niya akong itsura, wala gyud ni claim. Pasensya kaayo mo, ha? Giparaffle na ako ni ako ra gyapon nakabunot. Pastilan. Kapoy na kayo, mo ra gini nga ako makaya. I wear a Chinese attire inspired outfit because I am a half Filipino, half Chinese. Kamsamnida. Kamsamnida ba Chinese? Korean mo siguro to. Shishe, shishe. Ni hao ma. Ni hao ma minghang yung wang siyang wa. Tumot. Anyway, thank you so much. Palakpak naman mga kaibigan ulit. Ayan, before we proceed to our program, ako munang i-acknowledge and one of the active SB Councilor of Municipality of Magsaysay, Honorable Christian Blaze Django. Herona, palakpakan na to. Thank you so much, Cons. Daghang salamat sa pag-attend sa mga venue. Welcome sa event. Ladies and gentlemen, speaking of energy, at this point, let's spot the spotlight to a group that never fails to bring rhythm and fire to the stage. For their presentation, dance, presentation number, let us welcome our dance faculty